In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add domain for Mobirise landing page. If you've already built your landing page in Mobirise and you've purchased a domain, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to connect the two in a clean, straightforward way. We'll keep things simple and stick to what you need to do inside Mobirise, with a few tips to make the process smoother. First, log into Mobirise. Use the same account where your landing page was created so you're working on the right project. Once you're in, make sure you're on the main dashboard rather than inside a specific block editor. This helps you quickly find the site you want to manage. Next, go to Sites. This is where all your projects are listed. Locate the landing page you want to publish to your domain. If you have multiple sites, double check the thumbnail or title so you don't connect the wrong one. Now open Site Settings by clicking the gear icon associated with that site. The gear icon is your control center for publishing options and domain settings. Inside this menu, look for the field labeled Site Domain or Custom Domain. This is where you'll make the connection. Enter your custom domain into the Site Domain field. Type the exact domain you purchased, such as www.yourdomain.com, or the specific subdomain you intend to use. Keep it clean, no extra spaces or characters, and make sure the spelling is perfect. Domain names aren't case sensitive, but they are sensitive to typos. When you're confident it's correct, click the Connect button. After you click Connect, simply follow the on-screen instructions if any appear. Depending on your setup, Mobirise may ask you to confirm ownership or show you values to add at your domain registrar, such as a CNAME or a record. If you're shown these details, copy them exactly as displayed and paste them where your registrar manages DNS. Different registrars label this area as DNS, DNS Zone, or Advanced DNS, but the instructions from Mobirise will tell you precisely what goes where. Once those changes are saved, it can take some time for the connection to update across the internet. That's normal. Many connections happen within minutes, but it can take longer, and Mobirise may display a status indicator until it's ready. When everything is connected, your Mobirise landing page will use your domain, just as you entered it. If you ever change domains or want to adjust the address, return to the same site settings area and update the site domain field. That's all there is to it.